Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat, and in this video let's talk about unknown error I found when I was trying to change date of birth. Actually I tried to change date of birth for free chat without verification. So let me guide through that what happens when you do that. So here I am on Google Play Games with my Gmail account and it has my date of birth recorded in it. So we cannot change it right now. So let's keep it test side and let me try to open Among Us game. So here I will try to change date of birth. You know that my date of birth is 1997, but let's try to change it to 2005 and click on the accept agreement. Now let me try to sign in. So you can see that mismatched product user ID. So this is because what happens is when we try to sign in for the first time, it will trigger a signature that it's our account to inner sloth server, but when we try to do that same with different date of birth, then it will be mismatched. So that doesn't work when you do it with changing the date of birth. Let me try to clear cache storage and let me try to log in with my actual date of birth. So let me put my actual date of birth. Let's click on sign in again. So still you can see this error. We have to wait for certain time to clear that out. I think this is the new error which inner sloth not expected. So let me try to uninstall this app and let me try to install it back and try again. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to install this and it may take time. Okay, let's open that. So enter your actual date of birth. I think still it does not work because it is based on server. So this is normal error which is not connecting to server. Let's try again. Yeah, same. Yeah, we got our logo popped up. Let's try this. Yeah, this is the actual error we got. This is because when we sign in for the first time, this error pops because when we try to sign in for the first time, that will leave a trigger that this accounts belong to this person. So when we try to change date of birth and try it again, that doesn't work at all because you changed your date of birth. So that's called mismatched product user ID. So don't try to do that. If you do that, you have to wait for certain time to figure a solution for that. Right now I don't have solution for that, so I recommend you to don't change date of birth. And this error is not only because you changed your date of birth, it may be like it should match your Google account date of birth. If it is not going to match, then it is going to show you mismatched error. So try to keep your date of birth same as Google account or else go with verification. It is best way to use free chat and change your name. So that's it guys. Try to use verification method. You can use mothers, fathers or brothers or sisters to use free chat and change your name. And also if I found any solution for this error, I will update you as soon as possible. And if you would love to join us on live, you can subscribe to the channel where I will be doing regular streams on Among Us. So see you in the stream tonight. Bye guys.